Welcome everyone to the Amoolah-keto and low-carb channel. Today we'll be making a quick savory rice Swiss roll. So straight into the ingredients. Here I have a saucepan with some boiling water with a dash of salt and half a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate. And for our regular rice substitution, I will be using konjac rice, 2 cups of konjac rice. In the UK, you can find this in Holland & Barrett and on Amazon UK, and place into the saucepan. Cooking the konjac rice this way gives me the best results. I'm going to leave it for around 20 minutes. Now on to the second stage. We will need 2 medium eggs seasoned with black pepper. Place it into a mixing bowl. Then we're going to add 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Then to bind everything together, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum and mix. In the meantime, I have preheated the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. I have prepared an oven tray with some parchment paper, and now let's get back to the rice. We can see the water is boiling and the rice has become lighter and starting to rise to the top. Now it's ready to wash and drain. After preparing our cheese mixture and washing and draining our rice, we have to make sure our rice has fully dried. So I'm going to pop the rice back into the saucepan on some heat and make sure all the water has evaporated. When you start to hear that sizzling noise, that's when our rice is ready. So back to the cheese mixture. Let's put the rice in the mixture and mix well together, and this is the desired consistency that we are aiming for. And now we are going to spread our mixture onto the oven tray. We are aiming for quite a thin layer of the mixture. And now it's ready to place into the oven till it's nice and golden brown and the mixture is well held together. Our rice Swiss roll base is now ready. I am going to remove it from the tray, but keep it on the parchment paper as it will help to roll up the Swiss roll. To also help, I will be using a spatula to gently detach the dough from the parchment paper. Now we are ready for our fillings. This is completely up to you, but today I am going to be using some homemade red pepper sauce and some cooked chicken with some pepper and ginger. I'm going to add the spinach first, then add the cooked chicken. Now I'll be rolling up the Swiss roll using some gentle pressure and securing the ends. And as this is a cold dish, I'll be placing into the fridge until it fully cools down. When fully cooled down and set, it's now time to decorate our savory rice Swiss roll. Again, this is completely up to you. Today I'll be using some cream cheese or Philadelphia, and then adding some chili flakes on top, and then placing some olives. Our savory rice roll is now ready. It's easy to cut, it keeps its shape, it doesn't fall, it's easy to handle, even by hand. I find this to be one of my easiest, very filling meals, and I even switch the fillings now and again. Any questions, I'll be very happy to help. Please try it out and let me know, and until next time.